Have you ever noticed that some fire alarms are bright red while others are plain white? It's not just a design choice, it's all about function, visibility, and where they're installed. The color of a fire alarm often tells you what kind of alert it provides and where it's meant to be used. So let's get into the difference between red and white fire alarms. Red fire alarms are the classic kind. They're designed to be highly visible in public spaces. Think schools, offices, and shopping centers. The color red signals urgency and danger, making it easy to spot in an emergency. White fire alarms, on the other hand, are often used in places where aesthetics matter, like hotels, conference rooms, or upscale buildings. They blend in with the decor, but still do the job well. Functionally, both red and white alarms can include strobes, horns, or speakers. The color doesn't change how they work, it's more about where they work. Here's another twist. White alarms are often ceiling mounted, while red ones are wall mounted. That's because ceiling units are less likely to be obstructed and don't need to stand out visually. Fire codes and ADA regulations also play a role. In some cases, color is specified to ensure accessibility and compliance. So next time you spot a fire alarm, take a closer look. Its color might tell you more than you think about the space, the design, and the safety standards behind it. Red or white, loud or silent, every fire alarm has one job: to keep you safe. So that will be it for today. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and stay alert and stay safe.